This is how to factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe, completely clear out all data off of your iPhone 11 before you recycle it. Let's get right into it. First, you need to have your iPhone 11 powered off. You need to have your iTunes on. And now we're going to use Lightning to connect a laptop computer to the iPhone. And what's important is that immediately, as soon as you plug it in, you are going to hold down volume down and the power button at the same time until it shows connected to iTunes. So here we go. Plug in, 1, 2, 3, go, and immediately holding the buttons down. And we're going to wait for the Apple logo to cycle on. Now we're going to wait for it to show that it is connected to iTunes. Sometimes it could take a moment, and there we are, we're connected. So our menu on the computer is going to show up. iPhone 11. It's going to show this. There's a problem with your iPhone that requires to be updated or restored. There's not a problem. This is just the method to completely factory reset the device. So we're going to choose Restore. So when you choose Restore, it's going to bring up a verification box that will tell you, are you sure you want to restore the iPhone to its factory settings? All of your media and other data will be erased, and the newest version of the iPhone software will be installed. This is what you want. So I'm going to click Restore and Update, and now the computer is going to update all the fixes that the iOS has for the newest version of Apple iOS, and we're going to stand by and let the computers talk. Be right back. And we're back. And it looks as though this iPhone is activation locked, which keeps it from being reused, but that's okay. What has happened is that we've restored the device, which has erased every single bit of old information, so now it can be safely recycled. So if this has helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.